If you're in the market for the portable light wireless speaker, search no more. 20 hours of battery life, IPX7 water and dust resistance, punchy bass, that's what it says on the box. Weigh only 244 grams. And there it is. And on the front, volume buttons, minus and plus, and the play button. On the back, power, Bluetooth, and on the bottom, USB Type-C. Very nice hinge. And rubber to prevent sliding. Speaker is pocket size and handlebar size. You can also very easy connect it to a backpack for a trip. That didn't supposed to happen, but it happened. Well, it only proves how good is that clamp. The question is, how do I get it back? No damage on the device. A little bit dirty, but that's okay. Shockproof, approved. There's an app available to connect your device, and when you connect your device, scanning, you will have a battery percentage. And how good is the battery? I still have 90% left, and I've tested that device for a couple of hours. So plenty of battery. Of course, we do have an equalizer for the default pulse, deep bass, classic customization. It's super easy and cool. And also we can have a voice prompt, and we can connect two devices to have a stereo sound. Additionally, we can have a timer if you wanted to. You can update the firmware, disconnect, and see the user manual. Then what did we learn? And we learned that it's tiny, extremely powerful. All the music in this video was from a speaker. Has a great battery life, easy to use, and basically indestructible. I'm very impressed. See you next video. Bye. Link in description.